long vacation. Yes. So how was your vacation? Good. Okay. So today we are going to study GK. Yes. So do you know which day is today? Today is 21st June. That is International Yoga Day. Okay. So you all have to do yoga at home. Okay. Now open your GK workbook. See here, open chapter number 1, that is animals. Okay, have you ever observed animals closely? You must have found some animals have hair on their bodies and some do not. Some give birth to their young ones, some lay eggs. Even their skin types and bone structures differ. Okay, so you know that very well. Every animal is different from each other. Okay, some have hairs on their body and some do not have hairs. And here in animals, birds are also considered. Birds are also one type of animal. Okay, so some animals give birth to their young ones. Yes, you know that dog, cow, cat, they give birth to young ones. And some animals lay eggs. That is birds. Yes, birds lay eggs. Okay, now जो एनिमल यंग वंस को बर्थ देते हैं उनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? मैमल्स. यस, सो मैमल्स आर अ लिविंग बीइंग दैट गिव बर्थ टू देयर यंग वंस. ओके, दे फीड देम विद देयर मिल्क. दे आर वार्म ब्लडेड एनिमल्स. मैमल को कैसा एनिमल बोला जाता है? वार्म ब्लडेड एनिमल्स. एंड अनदर इज रेप्टाइल्स. सो रेप्टाइल्स हैव स्केली स्किन्स. यस, some of them can live both in water and on land. Okay, you must be knowing that some snake can live in water also and some snake can live in land also. They can live on both ways. Okay, likewise tortoise also, you know, water tortoise is there and land tortoise is also there. Okay, so here we are talking about reptiles, that is snake, crocodile and lizard, all that. Okay, now some reptiles like lizard and crocodiles have legs. कोई ऐसे reptiles भी होते हैं जिनको legs होते हैं, that is lizard and crocodile. You have to remember all these things. While some reptiles like snake do not have legs. Snake को legs होते हैं? No, it crawls on its stomach. Okay, so snake do not have legs. They crawl on their scales. Okay, so they crawl on the surface with the help of their scales. Birds are animals with feathers. Birds कैसे animals हैं? उनके पास feathers होते हैं. So they are animals with feathers. Because of feathers they can fly. You know that. Okay, so they can fly in the air and birds reproduce by laying eggs. Birds कैसे reproduce करते हैं? By laying eggs, है ना? So mammals give birth to their young ones and birds reproduce by laying eggs. Do you understand up till here? Okay, so now we are going further with our fill in the blanks. See number 1. Dash give birth to young ones. So you know who give birth to young ones? Birds? No. Then animals. Which animals? Mammals. Yes. So here you will write mammals. Now see number 2. Mammals are dash animal. कैसे animal होते हैं mammals? See in your workbook in paragraph number 1. What is written in it? Last line. They are warm-blooded animals. Yes. So here your answer will be warm-blooded. Now see, reptiles have dash skin. कैसी skin होती है reptiles को? Scaly. Yes. They have scaly skin. Then dash and dash have legs. So who have legs? See here, reptiles के बारे में बात हो रही है. तो reptiles have scaly skin. Some of them can live in both water and on land. Some reptiles like lizard and crocodile have legs. You got your answer? Lizard and crocodile. Yes. So here you will write lizard. And here you will write crocodile. Okay. Lizard and crocodile have legs. Dash crawl on the surface with the help of their scales. So who crawls? Who does not have legs? feeders. Then number 7, birds reproduce by laying dash. So reproduce कैसे करते हैं वो? By laying egg. Yes. Now see 8 number. Some reptiles can live both in dash and on dash. Okay. So that is water and on land. Okay. So here you will write water and here you will write land. Reptiles like dash do not have legs. So that is snake. Snake doesn't have legs. Yes. So that is snake. Birds can dash in the air. What birds can do? Fly. Yes, birds can fly in the air. Now see, again we are revising. Mammals give birth to young ones. You know that, okay? Mammals are the animals, living beings which give birth to their young ones. Okay. Now second number, mammals are warm-blooded animal. कैसे animal है वो? Warm-blooded. Third number, reptiles have scaly skin. Lizard and crocodile have legs. Snake crawl on the surface with the help of their scales. Okay. वो scales के हिसाब से snake जो है अपने scale से surface पे crawl करता है. You know, snake does not have legs. Okay, so it crawls. Then 6. Birds are animals with feeders. Birds reproduce by laying egg. Yes. Then some reptiles can live both in water and on land. Reptiles like snake do not have legs. Snake को legs होते हैं? नहीं. So reptiles like snake do not have legs. Birds can fly in the air. Yes, वो air में fly कर सकते हैं. Okay. So here we have studied about mammals, reptiles and birds. Okay, that are 3 different types of animals. Okay, so we will meet in a next video. Till